Hello, inflatable fans. Been out for a paddle with Roadkill and I thought while we're here I'd do some safety vest tests. I've got 3 of mine with me. I want to see what they're like for buoyancy. Got the sun right in my eyes there. That's a bit better. I want to see what they're like for buoyancy. Let's give this a go, eh? This is the Palm Meander. It's a 50 Newton vest, so it should keep me afloat without any issue. It's not a high back vest, this one, and I have found this a little bit uncomfortable in the inflatable boats. Let's get it in the water and see if it keeps me buoyant.
Making sure I've got the camera actually on in this time.
Alright.
Hiya.
Hiya.
Seems pretty good, that one as well, Cal.
Yeah, it is. Alright, is that? This one doesn't have the same effect of keeping your head up because it's not a high back. But it keeps your body up. I think that's a win for the Palm Meander. This is the high back one, standard vest, not high back. If you like this video, you know what to do about liking and subscribing. Stick around because I'm doing a few of these tests and I'm doing one of those inflatable snorkel vests. Nice, eh? Alright, cheers, thanks for watching. Bye.